Okay, without further ado, we're going to start. Okay, but of course, before I start, at least for those of you who are new, seeing me, okay, I would like to introduce myself briefly. Okay, so my name is Dennis Miras. Okay, I am here in the UK, and I've been involved with the company since the very beginning. Okay, I have been working with Joe. If you know Joe, probably most of you know Joe. Okay, I've been working with him side by side since the beginning of the company, even the Bitcoin code has started. So that's my journey with the company. I've been in the crypto space also for about 4 or almost 5 years. I began probably in 2019, just experimenting what are cryptos and everything. So because I believe that digital currency is going to be the next big thing. I got that mindset when I believe when AI is not going to be going somewhere, and now AI is one of the most feared technology by most of the people because they thought that okay, everything will be uh covered by AI. Everything will be stolen by AI, even the jobs, even the works that they are doing. So a lot of that things that I did believe. So that's where my mindset is about the digital currency. And now decentralized finance has been introduced by the start of Bitcoin, of course, in 2009. And of course, Bitcoin code, just to give you a little bit of a refresher, okay, that Bitcoin code is the same concept as of our Bitcoin, okay? So Bitcoin has been started 2009, 15 years ago. It reaches uh, $73,000 all-time high. And Bitcoin now it's the time to take the partake with Bitcoin Code because at the very beginning now Bitcoin Code giving us the second chance. Okay, the second chance to partake to an opportunity that we missed 15 years ago. So okay, let me play just a short video about this node that we are going to tackle. I'm going to show you everything about the node, explain to you everything about it. But of course, at least I need you to have an idea about this. So let me play this short video and then we will start right there and then. Okay, so give me a second. Let me play this one. Play.
How Bitcoin has changed the
Sorry,
lives of people and why.
not the one. By the way, can you see my screen just to confirm? Just to make sure. Okay, and you
Yes,
can
we
hear the
do.
and you can hear the sounds. Okay.
Yes.
Unlocking the Future, BTC20 Blockchain Nodes Explained. What is Node? In the vibrant landscape of cryptocurrency, a node is a real-life machine storing the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, state. These nodes engage in seamless communication, propagating crucial information about the EVM state and any new changes. Moreover, users can trigger code execution by broadcasting a request from a node. The BTC20 Smart Chain Network, in essence, comprises these nodes and their collaborative communications. Grasping the significance of nodes in BTC20 blockchain. 1. Pillars of stability and expansion. Nodes in the BTC20 blockchain silently contribute to the network's stability and expansion. Functioning as the tangible entities storing the EVM state, they lay the foundation for a resilient blockchain infrastructure. 2. Streamlined and fortified operation. Demolishing misconceptions of complex requirements, BTC20 blockchain nodes demand a mere 4-core CPU, 8 GB RAM, and a 50 GB SSD. This simplicity ensures not only streamlined but also fortified operation, fostering inclusivity in the blockchain ecosystem without burdensome hardware investments. 3. Alluring 182% APY rewards. Participation in the BTC20 blockchain as a node subscriber unveils an alluring 182% APY. This isn't just a number, it's a gateway to maximizing returns and actively participating in the network's overall triumph. 4. Affiliate bonuses in WAS. Beyond the realm of APY rewards, node subscribers bask in affiliate bonuses distributed through WAS, Weekly Asset Allocation Scheme. This dual-layered benefit amplifies the value and profitability of investments, aligning with the ethos of decentralized success. 5. Integral contributors to blockchain health. Nodes, as vital contributors to the BTC20 blockchain, play a pivotal role in maintaining its health and functionality. The decision to become a node transcends mere participation, it's an active engagement in a decentralized and innovative network, shaping its trajectory. 6. Strategic long-term value creation. Becoming a node in the BTC20 blockchain isn't a fleeting move, it's a strategic play for long-term value creation. Participants don't just witness financial returns, they secure a distinctive position within the ever-evolving blockchain ecosystem. Types of nodes. Let's explore the different types of nodes in the BTC20 blockchain. 1. Full nodes. Meet the backbone of the blockchain network, full nodes. They maintain a complete copy of the blockchain ledger, independently verifying its entire history. Essential for blockchain integrity, these nodes communicate with others to keep the network up to date and accurate. 2. Light nodes. Next up, light nodes, also known as SPV nodes. Designed for devices with limited storage, like smartphones, they don't download the entire blockchain. Instead, they rely on all nodes for verification, making them faster but less secure. 3. Minor nodes. Last but not least, minor nodes. Responsible for confirming transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. They perform complex calculations, requiring specialized hardware. Mining nodes are crucial for ensuring the network's security and efficiency. Node functions. Nodes are more than just participants, they're the lifeblood of the blockchain. Let's explore their key functions. Data processing. Nodes process and manage various data, ensuring the blockchain's smooth operation. Communication. Nodes facilitate communication between devices, acting as the central hub for network activities. Storage management. Efficiently storing and managing data, nodes ensure the blockchain's historical accuracy. Control and decision. Nodes decide and control transactions, adding an extra layer of security to the blockchain. Security. Nodes play a crucial role in data and network security, safeguarding the integrity of the entire system. Monitoring. Acting as vigilant overseers, nodes monitor activity and status, ensuring a healthy blockchain ecosystem. User interface. Providing a user interface, nodes enable user interaction, making blockchain technology accessible to all. The multifaceted roles of nodes. Nodes within blockchain networks don't merely perform singular functions, they embody a multifaceted role as the backbone of distributed information and communication hubs. From data processing and communication facilitation to efficient storage management, transaction control, security oversight, activity monitoring, and user interface provision, nodes are the unsung heroes in the blockchain narrative. Empowering the future of BTC20 blockchain. In summation, nodes within the BTC20 blockchain aren't mere components, they are architects of a decentralized future. By comprehending their types, functions, and the myriad benefits they offer, participants embark on an active journey of contribution and reward within a flourishing blockchain ecosystem. As we embrace the transformative power of nodes, we chart a course toward a more secure, efficient, and community-driven BTC20 blockchain.
Okay, so now at least you have an idea what is a node because we are going to be a node. The only thing that stopping us for being a node in BTC20 blockchain is because it is very expensive. I can say some can afford, but of course, in my initiative that I have created, that okay, I think we can be a partaker of becoming a node by doing a syndicate. At least because I see the opportunity on it. It's like very, very big opportunity that we don't want to miss. I don't want to miss it. And of course, I don't want my team to miss it. And I don't want everyone to miss it at least. Okay. So everyone that is going to be participating on this node syndicate that I have initiated is I'm pretty sure it's going to be big. It's going to be like game changer for you. It's going to be a game changer. I will explain the numbers or later, but of course, I will just explain why I have initiated this one. Okay, so I will share you my whiteboard so that at least I can write down something that you will be able to understand why we need this, why we need to do this. Okay, so give me, where is my whiteboard? Whiteboard. Oh, give me a second. I cannot find my whiteboard. I need to stop sharing my screen first. Okay, so let me start my whiteboard. Okay, can anyone see my whiteboard? Just to
Yes,
make
we
sure.
do, Dennis.
Amazing. Thank you, Erica. Okay,
Sure.
so right
Sure.
now I'm going to, yeah, okay. So right now I'm going to discuss about the opportunity of being a node, okay? Just to give you an idea that last year, when we started the Bitcoin Code, when Bitcoin Code was born in October 3 of 2023 last year, okay? Okay, we only have one node. That node is the miners node. It was mentioned in the video, so you have an idea. That's a miners node where we connect all the miners that has being minted, the NFT miners that are being minted, and then it will start mining Bitcoin code. So that's, we only have one node. And then of course, as we go along while we are mining BTCC, our company offers 300 nodes. Okay, we are also Toshi open 300 nodes for everyone to become a part with. Okay, and that 300 nodes, whether you believe it or not, has been sold quickly in the last 3 months. Everything is gone. 300 nodes. So maybe you are wondering, why do we need so many nodes, 300 nodes, okay? So if you will go to research on Google, how many nodes Bitcoin has, I believe it's over 80,000 nodes. That's how the blockchain works. That's how that makes the blockchains become decentralized, and that's how makes the blockchain more secure. That's why Bitcoin blockchain is secure. Uh, it has the transaction. The transactions are being verified by the nodes. So everything that any blockchain that has been doing, our BTC20 blockchain also is doing that, okay? So that's why it really has to have a nodes. So the 300 nodes was offered and sold at the price of $27,000. These 300 nodes, okay? $27,000, and it's been sold like candy in the last 3 months last year. Now, this is the opportunity for us. I want to become a node ever since the beginning. But of course, I'm not, unfortunately, the financial status doesn't make me a node. And now that we have given an opportunity again to become, so I initiated this syndicate. Okay. And the most beautiful part of this is what? The company, we are also Toshi, again, is offering a node, but for a limited numbers only. So they only offered 60 nodes. Okay? 16 nodes at the same price last year. So that is amazing. Why? Because when they closed the nodes last year after the 300 nodes, they told us that it will be reopened again, but at a price of over $50,000. So we kind of feel disappointed if it's going to be like that. We cannot afford the $27,000. Then how much can we afford the 54 or $50,000 for the node? So now that they offered it today, this time for $27,000 again, And then I said, okay, this is the time. This is the time for me to act and do something. So I spoke to with my team, and they are really happy to be part of the syndicate. Now, of course, not all of my team also can afford the price that I am asking for the syndicate. But of course, so that's why, okay, it's time also to expand the team over the team of Joe, and of course, to any other team is going to be interested. Okay. So, why do we need to partner Node? Because I will tell you that Node is a going to be here for a lifetime. It's a lifetime. It's not just 140 years of mining. Okay? This is lifetime. Why? Even if we already mined the 21 million Bitcoin code, okay, that was told us that it will be mined in the next 140 years, right? So, if it will be mined in the next 140 years, after we mine the 21 million supply, and there will be no more Bitcoin code supply after the 21 million, and that's after 140 years, that doesn't mean that our blockchain will stop working. That doesn't mean our node will going to stop working. Okay? So that means it will be 140 years and beyond. So I can say it's a lifetime. It's a generation to generation that the blockchain will exist. So that's the beauty of it. And I can say that investing $27,000 one time, having a lifetime income is an amazing opportunity that we have to grab. We have to participate. So I'm asking everyone, okay, to the syndicate that we're going to have 27 slots. Okay, I I wanted to have at least 27 slots, and everyone is going to take $1,000. Okay, this is the minimum. Okay, because I thought that if we're going to have like $100, $200, you will not be able to see the bigger numbers of it. But I'm not saying that it's not good, because it's very good that we can start somewhere, even if it's $10, $50. But at least for this $1,000 start, at least you will be able to automatically see how much uh return you will be able to see, and of course it will generate you a good income. Okay, so with this initiative, okay, with this initiative, I want to tell you that remember, there is a requirement of computer that needs to run the node. Okay, so on these circumstances, I am offering my service. I am going to offer that I am going to give out one computer or one laptop for it to operate. Okay, so that means the laptop will run the node, because if there's no laptop or no computer, the node will not run. So that's basically the basic requirements. And then of course it must have internet connection, and of course it needs to maintain the computer and everything. So all of that will be shouldered by me. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. You're not going to spend a single cent on the computer itself. Okay, it's all on me. That's where I'm going to help out the teams, at least that when you just have to invest, and then your money works for you, and then you earn your profit. Of course, the only thing, of course, is that I'm going to be the one holding the wallet. What does that mean? So holding the wallet, that means that I am going to get all the profits of the nodes. Okay? So, but of course, with regards to that, of course, the transparency of that is also important. And then of course the question is, why are you going to trust me? You just met me now, right? So of course, since I offered this to help out all the people that are going to be part of this, or who wanted to be a part of this, that's the pure intention. Okay, I'm not going to say, yeah, I'm just going to get the money, because I'm not going to get the money at all. Okay, but of course the trust is there, and then of course I'm going to hold the wallet, and then I will distribute to you all your profits. Okay, So the profits will be depending on how are we going to agreed on giving it to you. Will it be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly? It's all going to be up to us, the members. Of course, we were going to have a meet up and a meeting, and of course to vote what is good for our syndicate. Okay, so that's basically it. But of course, also, I wanted to assure you that I am not the only one who's going to hold the wallet. Okay, so probably there will be 2 or 3 person that's going to hold the wallet that I believe you already trusted. Okay, so Joe is also going to hold the key of the wallet. Okay, because it's good to have more than one person that's holding, but I'm not going to give it away to everybody. Why? Because if everyone has access to the wallet, then everyone can do what they ever want to do on that wallet. And then we don't know who has access. Because let's say Erica withdraw all the BTCC inside that wallet. We don't know that it's Erica. We only know that it's the address. Someone transferred it to another address and we don't know who it is. So that's why at least at this syndicate, there are only 3 persons that you are going to question when you see on the blockchain and the ledger that, wait, why this money moves out there and why this money goes out there. You are the only 3 person that we know that have the key. Okay? So that's basically how are we going to do that with the transparency itself? Of course, I will be the one transferring all the profits and everything. But in the scenario that I am not available, of course, Joe will be there, and also the other one is Lucky. Okay, so I'm not sure. Lucky hasn't confirmed yet that he will hold the key, but we will offer that to her. But at least you know that the trust is still there. Lucky is our grand upline. She is in the company. We know that she is the right hand of Chavez. So I think that would be more on the trust itself would be enough. Okay, so that's what I am trying to share on this syndicate. So I hope that is clear. And then if you have more questions, we will answer it later. Okay. I will just continue it by showing you how much potential profit we're going to have here in partaking to be just having a $1,000 investment one time. Okay, so let me stop my sharing on this board, and I will share you my Excel sheet so that you have a better understanding on what are the numbers, or what are the profit that we're going to get for just one time $1,000. Okay, so let me stop my share with my okay, and then let me open my Excel sheet. Just give me a second. I hope it's ready. Okay, and now it's time to share my screen. Okay, admit. Share. Okay. Now, again, can anyone see my screen? Anyone?
Yes, coach.
Thank you so much.
Me too.
Amazing. So, okay. Now, okay. This is the price of our node. Okay, $27,000. So this is very, very important for us. And of course, we need 27 people. I'm not saying that we are locked into 27 people. You can take as many slots as you can. Let's say if you want to take 7 of that 27 numbers, you can get, and then you have to pay $7,000. So basic math, that's what we're going to do here. Of course, it's the goal is just to get a node. But of course, if we're going to have a lot of people that would be interested, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. That would depend on the number of people, and of course the number of shares that we're going to, or the number of slots. And but of course it would be amazing to get more than one nodes. But of course, in this example that I'm going to share to you everyone, is the goal is just to get a node. And then of course the syndicate cost is $1,000. The amazing part is we're going to earn 182% annual percentage yield. So this is yearly. So that means, okay, we can get a 15% 15.17% monthly yield. Okay? So getting the number of the profit that we're going to get, we just multiply $27,000 to 182%. Basically, that's it. So this is the basic. Okay, this is the start. $49,140 is going to be our annual yield per node. Okay, so this means this 49,140 we just divide it to 27, and then we have our profit. Okay, that's very simple. But we have to remember, being a node, we are not going to earn dollars. That's very, very important. We are going to earn Bitcoin code. That's why it's really important that you have an idea what is Bitcoin code, okay? How Bitcoin code works, or how are we going to get Bitcoin code, okay? So we are going to get Bitcoin code instead of dollars. So in this computation, you will be able to see that $49,000, why I'm going to have this number. So for now, at this particular example, I am going to lock in. It's very important. I'm going to lock in the price of Bitcoin code to
That's right.
$75. Okay? And that, okay. So, $75 would be the price. So, very simple. 49,140 divided by $75 to make how many number of Bitcoins. So, that is approximately 655 Bitcoins. Bitcoin codes, sorry, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin codes are we going to earn in a year. 54.60 in a month. And of course, we're going to earn daily. This is for the one node, okay? Not for one people, okay? Or one person or one member of the syndicate. So this is very basic, okay? So if we are going to earn this one, of course, we're going to do this. If we're going to divide it per member, so this is the division per member, okay? So this is for a minimum cost of $1,000. So that means $1,820 at the price of $75 Bitcoin code. This is potentially our earning in 1 year. So that means each and every one of us that's going to be part of the syndicate will earn automatically, probably the minimum. Okay, I can say that minimum as according to the $75 price. Okay, that's $1,820. So basically, if you're going to do the math, automatically that in a year, your $1,000 will earn $820 for you. Simple. What would be your participation? Just pay the $1,000. I'll do the rest. I have the computer. I do the math. I do everything. Of course, we're going to have a meeting, just simple meeting for the group, and then other than that, you are earning money while you're asleep. So basically, that's it. So 24.27 Bitcoin code every year for you, or if you want to receive it monthly, or if you want to receive it daily. So these are the three options that we can do, or we can do weekly. Why not? I did not put weekly. I think it's redundant now. We're going to do, but it's very basic. Okay. So this is the one that we're going to decide which one do you want to receive. Do you want to receive it every month, every year, or every day? So it's up to you. Now, if we're going to say, let's say in a year, okay, this is our first year. Let's say we bought already the node, okay? So this is okay, if you remember, the anniversary of Bitcoin code is just a couple of months, or less than a couple of months. Few days from now, October 3 is our anniversary, okay? So that's the first year. So those who have nodes last year are potentially going to get at least 1,800, 49,140 for everyone that has a node. Okay? Or if they have syndicate, this is potentially that they're going to get at a price of $75. Right now, we all know that the price of Bitcoin code drops to $66. Why? Probably you'll be asking why, because I know that a lot of people are selling their BTCC for them to be able to acquire nodes. Because really nodes is powerful, really how powerful it is. And this is really amazing. That's why I'm really excited to share this. So now, let's start, let's say, on the first year. Let's say that we are on the first year, and then we acquired the node, and then we locked the price at 75. So that means on the first year here, okay, you can see in here, you will earn, each and every one of you, okay, 1,820, okay, dollars in a year. So that means you already got your capital back, the $1,000 plus the $820 profit in 1 year. Not too big. Yeah, not we can say that it's not as big as we expected, okay? That's fine, okay? But at least the profit in a year, I don't think there will be banks that will give you $1,000 and then will give you 82% of profit in a year. So this is really an amazing one. But of course, I wanted to also to remind you that Bitcoin Code is a cryptocurrency. It's a volatile uh, market. It's in a volatile market. That means it will go up and it will go down. Now, so let's say in the first year, we lock it at $75. All-time high of Bitcoin Code, it's $87. And I believe it will go up. Okay? So right now, let's say on the second year, okay, on the second year of our being a node on us, let's say that Bitcoin Code goes up to $100. Okay? Why would Bitcoin Code go up for $1,000? Let's say in a year, let's say Boomerang works fine. CryptoCard works well. Okay, the new project that's our CEO is going to introduce works well. So we have now a lot of projects that coming in. We also have going to have a lot of let's say token to be launched on our blockchain. So those are the factors that our Bitcoin Code will go up. There's a lot of factor, and I believe our CEO is working nonstop to make sure that our blockchain is going to have a project. Why? Because our blockchain is an EVM compliant. Very important to remember, EVM compliant blockchain. Okay, that means you can launch any project in here just like an Ethereum blockchain, just like a Polygon blockchain. Okay, those are all EVM compliant. Bitcoin is not. That's the problem with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you cannot launch any project on it. But imagine, it has 80,000 nodes. Even if you cannot launch any project on it. So that means, why would we consider of having the price of Bitcoin going up? Because of those projects. Imagine Polygon, imagine Ethereum, imagine Solana. Those are EVM compliant blockchains. And our blockchains can process up to 65,000 transactions per second. That's how fast our blockchain is. And that is one of the fastest blockchain in the entire crypto space. Okay? I'm not saying it's the fastest, but one of them. Okay? So amazing. So look at this. Let's say $100. How much you're going to earn up on the second year? You will earn almost $2,500 in a year. And now you would say, that's a small increase. No, it's not a small increase. Why? Because this profit or this money is totally your profit alone. Because you already got your capital in the first year. So that means on the second year, of course, everything is profit. Starting from the second year, all profit and every year. Remember, it's a lifetime. It's not just 140 years. So that means from from the second year to 139 years and beyond, we are getting profits on our node. Okay? That's how beautiful the nodes, or that's how powerful these nodes can be as long as we are a node or we are running the nodes. Okay? Now, of course, on the third year, this is another profit now. You don't have to worry about your capital. You're already risk-free because you already got your capital in the first year. On the third year, let's say, okay, just a small increment again. What? How much? Let's say $300. Okay? Potentially. Then how much are you going to earn in the third year? On the third year, wow, you are increasing your yearly income from 2,500 to 7,000. That means it's almost $5,000 increase in your wallet. And we are just counting 3 years. We are not counting 10 years. We are not counting 20 years. Okay? And then, of course, why? Why this is important, the fourth year. Okay? It's really important this fourth year because remember Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a halving years. Halving years of Bitcoin happens already 4 times. Okay? What was left right now, if you are attending training of Trashit, 1.3 million Bitcoin are already left to be mined. But that 1.3 million is probably to be mined in the next 100 years. Okay? 100 years. Why? Because of the halving years. So right now, why it is also good to be participating on this because we are at the beginning. We are the same at Bitcoin. We are the second chance of Bitcoin. So that means on the first halving years, okay? On the first halving years, what happened to Bitcoin? Remember in 2012, I think that's where the first halving happened. What happened to Bitcoin? It shoot up the price. Okay. And then what if in our first halving years, it shoot up also? Let's say just a minimum of $1,000. Just $1,000, imagine. This is simply you're going to get this. And remember, this is all profit already. Okay? This is all profit. Okay. Just to give you out of confusion between the miners and the node, at least I will give you also a clarification that. Okay, don't be confused with the mining because yeah, you are mining. Of course, you also earning Bitcoin code, and then of course in your node you are also getting Bitcoin code. Okay, right? Okay, so mining. Okay, when you mine Bitcoin code, you connect your miners, you buy your miners, you connect your miners, and then you're mining Bitcoin code. Okay, technically once you mine your Bitcoin code, technically it's not yet yours. It's still on the node connected there. You saw it in your DApp. Say you have 100 Bitcoin code mined, but technically it's not yet yours until you harvested it. Okay, so that means you have to pay the price of harvesting, and you all know have the idea of that. I know you know that everything. But with the node, okay, with the node, we are earning Bitcoin code every single second, every single minute goes directly to our wallet. So that means we are receiving Bitcoin code. We are not going to pay harvesting on that. But being a miner, so doing a mining, of course, you need to pay. You have to have B fuel to harvest it, and then it goes directly to your wallet. Once you harvested it, then you can call it your Bitcoin code. But here, directly we are earning Bitcoin code goes directly to our wallet. So that's the difference between mining and being a node. Okay. So the probably if you will understand the difference of that, then you will know that this is more powerful. Okay. So this is really, really an amazing one. Okay. So let's say, okay, we all know that Bitcoin goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Okay. Let's say in the fifth year. Okay. In the fifth year, uh, Bitcoin code goes down again to, let's say, $50. Okay. $50 after $1,000 because the market, blah, 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 whatever reason, for whatever reason. Okay. On the fifth year, okay, after the halving, it goes back down to $50. In the history of Bitcoin code, it never goes down below $50. Okay. But it, of course, the whole time high is just $87 and it will be more. Just $50. Imagine on the fifth year, you earned 1,200. This is again purely profit. You don't have to worry at all. Every every year you harvest this much amount of Bitcoin code, but of course you are earning this much amount only. $50, $1,200 in 1 year, an extra income doing nothing. You don't do anything. You just invest your money and then okay, you just have to wait every month or every year to collect your profit. Okay? Even if it's just $50, even if it's $51, even if it's just $70, it goes back to $75 every day, every day. Sorry, every year, every year, every year, every year, every year. So imagine that. So that's why it's really, really amazing, and it's really, really amazing for us to be part, okay, to be part of this opportunity. Because I mean, uh, if we let this opportunity pass, and then of course, we are also Satoshi will not close offering nodes because probably their target will be 100,000 nodes. Okay, but the price of Bitcoin of the nodes will not be the same. I am sure of that. It will not be the same at $27,000. It will definitely increase in the next coming months, in the next coming years. But of course, yeah, we can participate. Why not? As long as we have the money, we can buy. But of course, for that, at least we can start right now because this is the right time. This is something that you don't want to miss. I don't want to miss it. Okay, Joe don't want to miss it. Okay, that's why he's really, really, really eager for us to push this. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, I'll give you example if you are an owner of a node. Okay, this is your potential profit if you are going to be a node. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this part. At the same price of BTCC that goes up before the halving years or the halving years. If you are a node owner, imagine if it just shoots after the halving, if it's just shoot to $1,000, you will be almost a millionaire. Half million, more than $500,000 potentially. Okay? Or you're earning $50,000 a month. Isn't it great if you will become an owner of the node? But of course, since I'm not saying every one of us, okay, here, I know, but for me, I would be honest with myself, I cannot afford the $27,000. But with this type of computation that I made, this is just hypothetical example, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinion, the way I computed. If you saw something that you think it's wrong on this computation, please let me know. I stand to be corrected, okay? And I am not showing this, of course, also to convince everyone, okay? I'm not here to convince you. I'm just showing you the potential and the potential of this opportunity that I know, in my opinion, is really great to have. Okay. But of course, the decision should be always yours. We always have to do our part. Our part. Okay. I've done my part. I share this just for information. I'm sharing this just for information. I have nothing to do with the company. I'm just a member, just like you. Okay. So I'm not promoting this for the company. I'm promoting this because I really believe that it would help us in the years to come. So basically, that's the numbers that I wanted to share to you about the node. Okay. So we can go to question and answer if you have questions. And okay, I will do my best to answer that. If I don't know the answer, I will make sure to find the answer and get back to you as soon as I can. Okay. So I will stop sharing now and then let's go to question and answer. I hope I shared it clearly with you. And of course, I'm really, really excited that every one of us would become a node, even though we are just one node. But of course, this is something that I am looking forward to be part of it. So, yeah, okay, let's have a question and answer. Perfect. Anyone? Any question?
Hat jemand eine Frage? I will translate if there is a
Yes,
question
yeah.
in German, okay?
Thank you so much, Erica, of course. Yeah,
Sure.
anyone here, yeah, if they need to be translated, Erica is here. Really appreciate it, Erica. Okay, any more questions? Just to any clarifications on everything that I said, everything that I explained. So yeah, I hope I did my best, but of course, yeah, sometimes we need more clarifications, your opinion or any reaction on that part.
when you send us the recording, we will translate the whole recording so that more people understand what's going on.
Of course, definitely. I will be able to send it now because you confirmed it to me that you can see the Excel sheet. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I was just telling that to Erica because yesterday I have a Zoom call also. I tried to discuss the Excel sheet and I thought I was sharing the Excel sheet, but unfortunately I'm not sharing it. So, but right now at least it's more there's a more visual. It's really good to see the visual of it, but yeah. Uh if you look if you have yeah, I mean if you see something wrong or miscalculation or we have a what do you call this? Typo error that I had done on that Excel sheet. Uh, please let me know. Of course, I will be stand to be corrected. It's just how I look at it. Okay. So again,
Okay.
any more question?
Thank you.
Okay.
Irgendjemand eine Frage, dann bitte raus.
Okay. Hi, Luis. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Will you be putting that spreadsheet in the little node group that you've set up?
Yes, I will. I definitely will.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So any more? Anyone? Oh, I'm really flattered that I think I did my job well.
Yes,
Because there's
I
no
just
question.
wanted to say you did a wonderful.
I
Thank
agree with Erica, you did, yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay. So yeah, okay, if there will be no more questions, okay, that's just like Erica and I told to Luis, I will be posting the recording of this Zoom on the groups. Probably Erica can get the copy and everything, and then they can share it to anyone that who will be participating or who want to participate in your team. Okay. It's
Yes.
not necessarily that you should be under my team or under Joe's team. Okay. It's okay if anyone's team is okay with me as long as I know that we can help each other. I can help in terms of the computer itself is we all know we have to invest on the computer itself if we want to become a node, and
Yeah.
that's the least that I can do for now. But of course when you become a node, then eventually when you earn a lot in the coming years, especially the halving is coming in the 2027, that will be amazing.
We appreciate that very much, Dennis, that you gave us the chance to participate.
Course. And yes, of course. And I'm really excited for every one of us. So, yes. So, again, for the last time, can I ask for questions, maybe clarifications, or any just simple reactions on everything that you heard and saw?
Dennis, if afterwards there are a few questions, I would send it to you specially or privately.
Yeah.
So if there is something unclear, there is one.
Okay. Hi, Michaela. How are you? We cannot hear you.
We don't hear you, Michaela.
No.
Nein, Mama.
I heard you earlier when you speak, but
Nein, wir hören dich nicht. She will write it in the chat.
okay. On the chat. Okay, I can see. Oh, you need to translate it.
Thomas says thank you. No questions left.
Oh,
And Brigitte said thank you. Was wonderful from Austria. She is writing.
amazing. Thank you so much, Thomas. Okay, Sir Alan, you can go. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, what are the advantages of a node compared to holding miners on my own? Okay, that's a very good question. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, that you don't have to confuse yourself with being a miners and being a node. Okay, so because if you are mining Bitcoin code, okay, I mentioned to you, technically, you did not own yet the Bitcoin code when you're mining. Okay? You saw it on your DApp. Let's say you have 100 Bitcoin code already mined. But it's not yours until you harvested it. And you pay the price of the harvesting. So that's really important because if you don't pay the BPO, you use the BPO to harvest it, then it will not be on your wallet. If it's not yet on your wallet, that means it's not yet yours. But with a node, okay, we are earning Bitcoin code directly to our wallet. Okay, so the wallet that is connected to our node, I will be holding that wallet. I mentioned also earlier. So I will be holding that every time that we earned, every second, every minute, every hour. Those Bitcoin code is directly to my wallet or to our wallet. And then once it's in our wallet, that means it's ours. You don't have to pay anything. That's it.
Du zahlst gar nichts.
No B-fuel is needed, right? She says, and the B-fuel for harvesting is deducted already?
No B fuel will be used in the node. You don't need B fuel in the node. You only need B fuel in mining. Mining is only required for harvesting Bitcoin code in when you are mining. Okay, so that's it. B fuel doesn't have to do anything with the transactions or anything. Just B fuel to harvest the Bitcoin code. If that makes sense. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's so. I hope I answered correctly, Michaela, your question. So yes, it's good to become a miner. Why? Because the only need you need to pay for now is just the miners. Okay, once you have a $50 miner, you let it run for the next 100 years, and you don't pay anything, but you're mining until you have the amount of money for you to be able to harvest, and then you can have the Bitcoin code. So that's only the advantage of being a miner. You are not paying anything in advance. Okay. So that's it. You just have to buy the miners, connect it to the node, and then you are going to. But technically, yeah, like I mentioned, Bitcoin code is not yours yet until it is in your wallet.
Gehen in eine Not.
Okay. Any more question?
No.
Thank you.
Okay, so if there were no more questions, I will not take too much of your time. Okay, I really appreciate you being here. Okay, and it was nice to meet every one of you for the first time here. Really appreciate to see you here. So yeah, okay, I will not take too much time. I will be probably hosting another Zoom on Saturday. Okay, I will be. Okay, Erica, go ahead. So,
Another question from Andreas.
hey.
Where do we pay you that or send the money, and how the whole thing works?
Okay,
So,
perfect.
okay, maybe
Go
you can
ahead.
explain it again. If not, I
Okay.
will send him the message what you send in the group. Okay.
Sure. Okay, so basically, we are going to pay USDT. Okay, I am collecting the USDT, so I already give up the USDT address TRC20. Okay, very important to remember TRC20. I already gave out the address. Erica knows my wallet address. They can give it to you and send out the address. Very important. Once you send the USDT to my address, please copy the transaction hash and send it also to Erica or to me so that I can double check. At least we have to be because probably someone will send and they said, "Oh, I sent it already," or not. So at least the transaction hash is a good way to verify everything. Okay, so that's the beauty of blockchain. That's why
Yeah.
everything is open. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Andreas, for the question. Amazing. Okay. So any more? Okay.
So
So
Dennis has a group. Dennis hat eine Gruppe, wo all die reinkommen, die schon eingezahlt haben oder die einen Teil eingezahlt haben. Und alle, die in dieser Gruppe sind, bekommen immer diese Informationen und die kann ich gerne weitergeben. So I just explained that there is a group for all those node holders or participants, and there the information is shared. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can ask them to add the group. Send in the link for those who are the one I already sent you the link of that. You can send them to them so they can request to be added, and then of course I will just accept them, and then they can get all the information that I will post there.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Okay, so yeah, any more? Another additional? Okay. So if it's not, okay. So again, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Uh, for those, everything that maybe part of your team or any team members that you wanted that they wanted to hear this apart from the recording, they want to see me explain it live. I will
Das steht
be
doch
probably
so.
hosting one more Zoom on Saturday. Okay. So that I will explain this again, especially if you have new members that wanted to hear it live, of course. I will be hosting that also again on Saturday. So probably I'll be able to see you on Saturday. What any team members? I will of course I will invite my team members as well to be able to those who haven't reached yet this opportunity. I'm really reaching out to all the teams that I have. It's because it's really, really, really exciting to be part of this amazing opportunity. Okay. So
Uh,
yes, thank you so much again, and I hope to see you again on Saturday. Thank you so much. And
Thank you, Dennis.
okay,
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
everyone, I'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ah, das kannst du alles machen.